Okay guys, I'm actually going to go over the order book with you guys and read it to you in very high detail right now. I'm going to read it for literally like an hour for you guys, okay? We're going to look at this key point right now where there's a ascending triangle. Looks like it's ready for a breakout, okay? I'm in a position as well, so I want to make it a live trade / tutorial video of order books, okay? This is called the level 2. Now, what is the level 2? Let me tell you guys what the level 2 is. The level 2 refers to where it shows all of the trades here, right? The trades, and this side are the people who are bidding, right? They're bidding to buy, and this side are the people that are asking to sell. So when you're selling anything, of course, you've got an asking price, right? Now, I don't care about all of this right here. I want to get a gauge of the actual market and what is going on and how people feel about it. This gives you the market sentiment in general. As much as we'd like to look at indicators, etc. right now, this is very neutral, right? So reading here, excuse me, gives us a really good idea of what is going on. So we see the demand very, very high right now, but we do see this guy right there. I'll put a bell there. It's at 89.40, okay? These guys right here are people who are stacked up. I'm sure there's 40 right there, right? 40 Bitcoin. Looks like there's not a lot, but I'm sure there's a lot more than that. It's very high level strategy where you will only put a specific amount that people can see, right? If you look right here at 89.24, 89.24, but he's only got a little bit there, right? It's only got 0.02. Why can't we break 89.04? Why the heck can't we break 89.04? Is he trying to fill up his short positions? He's got a lot there, as you guys can tell, right? He's not letting the price get past there right now. So he's got a very high level strategy. We're talking about a guy with millions, like tens of millions, hundreds of millions maybe. We have to look. 0.02. If this was a real order, where he wanted to show people, well, we would have passed that a long time ago, right? Because look at how many people have bought it. Now there's 0.16, there's 0.37, right? But clearly, these guys have bought way more than that before. Now there's another guy that just came up here to stack on top of him. People are buying, but it's not moving. It's not moving whatsoever right now, okay? Even though there's an artificial demand right now, and people are buying it up, right? These guys are creating like an artificial supply. They're making it seem like it's a very scarce supply right now. So when we think about it from the perspective of supply and demand, well, of course people would want to buy something and it's worth a lot more, right? If the demand is high, but the scarcity is low, right? Or the scarcity is high rather, and there's a lack of it. So we just keep looking here at 24.9, right? Did we finally break 924? Yeah, we finally did. But now there's two guys here at 924.9. We still can't get past that. Notice how people are buying 924.9, but this right here is actually not even moving. It's still 0.048 right now, okay? So I'm down a little bit right now, $20, but it's nothing, guys. I scalp all day, right? And I take the chances. So we wonder, like, what is going on right now? Are these guys, like, think of this as a high level strategy where we will leverage a large amount right here to try to push up the market. But at the same time, what people will do is they will put up a short position, right? So they're trying to drive up the price right here. And so people will spike it up. So imagine if you put a wall right here, okay? You put a wall right here. And then you also put another wall right here to try to create that artificial demand where it makes it seem like a lot of buyers are actually stepping in, right? And then people will buy, people will buy, people will buy. But they, instead of putting just their short positions there, they'll also put one way higher than it as well. So as they see the demand just spike up based on people buying, that they'll remove this first wall, right? They'll remove this first wall and boom, they'll let it spike. And these short limit orders actually get filled instead of these ones as well. So now they're getting a base price. And then what they do is they enter another short position by catalyzing a dump with the market execution. Boom, bringing the price exactly to where it was. And the people that entered into a long position, guys, they are now trapped. That is what you call a trap, okay? This is a really high level play here that we're thinking about, right? So I think about this kind of stuff all the time, guys. This is literally all that I think about, to be quite honest. And I can spot these things a mile away based on the formation of the 1 minute candles, believe it or not. This is my style. So you see this right here? It's not getting any lower, right? So these guys are also creating an artificial demand or artificial dump, right? Sorry, wall right here as well. So we have to look at the order book and say, what's going on? What's going on? We look on these charts of mine, nothing is really happening at all right here, okay? It looks like there's nothing going on right now at all, right? But let's take a look at it in deeper detail right now. So there we go. There we go. So now the price is being driven up. Look at these guys right here. I don't want to put my limit order that low. I see these guys just massively spike up right now. Look at these guys. They are massively spiking up the price right now. Huge demand. Look at this, 23 right there. See this 23? It's going to drive up the price now. It's going to drive it up and spike it up in a few seconds. Just watch. Just watch. Look at the volume just start to heavily pick up right now. Right there. See this volume bar starting to pick up? My limit's at about $900 or 9K right now. I do believe it's going to get to my target around 9,000 something, just slightly. 9K will be a very round number as well. Look at this. The price is just spiking up right now, okay? So I'm reading level 2 order book all day, guys. I literally sit here and I watch the order book and that is it. And it's my favorite thing to do. And I don't want to put myself in a position where I'm feeling uncomfortable. So what I'm going to do is probably just put a limit order right around here right now and just get out of my position since it's honestly near the peak already. But I think if we break 9K, guys, we're gonna go for about 9,100 or so, okay? So we see the volume really pick up right here, but we got to wonder, is it actually real, right? Are people actually going to rush in? Are there going to be more buyers just trying to break this right here? Boom, look at that break. They're trying to break it. Yes, they are. Lots of people are trying to break it. This guy just flashed his order there to flex a little bit to try to get the algos going from the computer side because there are a lot of bots, right? There's tons and tons of bots. I'm not feeling comfortable here. I'm not feeling comfortable at all. I'm going to put my order right here at 8995. Let's hope that someone buys just these right here. Is there a wall? 982.6, 92.6. This is a wall, obviously, right? So what I'm going to do, there we go. I got executed already right now. Boom! The price just spiked up right there. I did not make a lot of money on that trade, guys. I did not make a lot of money on that trade at all, but that's okay. I made $29 right here. I like to screenshot everything. This is what I do, guys, okay? Every time I win a trade, this is what I do. I do this for you guys, okay? I do this for you guys, and then I go to right here. Oh, sorry. Did I get to the right one? Yeah, I did. Okay. So this is what I do. I just tweet it like this, just so you guys know I'm not like screwing around. I go to my order book here as well, okay? And then I just snip it right here. And then I just tell people that this is, no, that's not it right there. I didn't buy it there, did I? Yeah, I did. I bought it in, this was like a 30-minute, 25-minute trade here. And I just tell everyone, I don't want to hold it longer. I'm happy with $30 in how many minutes, guys? How many minutes was that? In 25 minutes? Yep, that's now, I think I'm at 800 today. I don't remember. I'm not going to write that because I don't remember, and I like to be honest about things like that, right? So anyways, that's how you read the level 2 order book for when you're actually getting a gauge of market sentiment, right? So now we see lots of people starting to buy right now, but we don't know if they're really buyers, right? Like we just really don't know right now. It's just so risky to even enter a position right now. See, I always leave one left. I always leave 0.000001, and then I close it after. And the reason I do that is because so you guys can see the balance that I'm actually making. If I executed all of it, you guys won't be able to see it, right? So there we go. I closed my position here. I got it at a very good price, as you saw. I sold it at 988 here, and then of course we dropped back down already. So my strategy is 100% dependent on timing and just. It's all timing. That's all I can say. You got to have really, really, really good timing. So I hope you guys enjoy these level 2 order books, right? You have to be good at reading the level 2 order book just like this. Otherwise, what ends up happening is you're missing out on half the battle. Who cares what the candles and stuff are doing sometimes, okay? Who cares? Because we just don't know what is going on with it. It's a lot better to look at the level 2 order book to see the general market sentiment and who's buying and who's selling and how many people are buying and selling. Big green bars is what you want to focus on, right? And you want to look for hidden walls to see if it can actually go up, right? So there you go. I just want to give you guys my quick thoughts on this as well. Bye now.